Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be making eba. I'll be using garri, which is also known as cassava flakes. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. All you need for this recipe is a bowl, garri, plate, wooden spatula and water. I've poured some water on the electric kettle. Now put it to boil. Now that my water has boiled, I'll pour it inside the bowl. Then add my garri. After that, I'll pour some hot water on top of the eba. Then cover it with my plate and allow it to rest for 3 minutes. So guys, it's up to 3 minutes now. I will stir it round. That is it guys. This is the end result of my eba. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.